my god, this is a fail. One, two, three. Okay, get your shit together. One, two, three. What's good, Vanessa gang? Welcome back to the channel. If I'm kind of quiet, it's because I have no energy because it's 2 o'clock in the morning. Because me and Vanessa decided, let's just stay up, you know? Stay up late and do videos. This video is sponsored by, I don't even know how to pronounce this. I think it's Eullair. Eullair hair. They actually made me see my sister possible. So shout out to y'all. They was like, look, what is it gonna take for you to fly to your sister? And I told them what it was, and then they was like, okay, let's go. So I said, so you said that. So I said, let's do it. They sent me 2 wigs because I was originally gonna turn her into me for the 2nd time and go all out, but it didn't work that way, okay? So they sent me 2 wigs and I wore this one earlier today, which is why it looks kind of crazy. But it's literally like my hair, except my hair is a little bit longer than this. And it's supposed to be full lace, which it is in the inside, but I don't like the fact that you guys can't part it a certain way, otherwise you don't see the tracks, you feel me? I feel like if it's full lace, it should be full lace where it's free part. It's for sure a lace frontal, but it doesn't have that much room to work with. But besides that, the density is perfect. So anyways, Grace is gonna try to do my hair. It came with 2 wig caps and stuff, but that's beside the point. If y'all wanna know about them, the information will be in the description as always. What am I supposed to be doing? You have to secure the wig. So you gotta figure out how to put my hair down somehow. This is the first time that she's ever dealt with a wig, and I'm making her try to do it. I don't even have got to be glue gel, so this is more challenging to me. You got a hair tie to work with, a comb to work with, you got an edges brush, you got 2 drops of gel, and you got 2 bobby pins.
Can I like just put gel on?
So before we get started, I need y'all to give this a big
thumbs down.
A big thumbs up, because y'all been asking for videos from my sister and I
don't even know what I'm doing.
You just gotta make the wig look good. How could you lay it down? How you gonna make it? If you had to go on a date,
I wouldn't go. Which way is the, how is we gonna get her hair in here? Okay, so first you wanna like, how do you do this? And then you're gonna take the hair tie and then go like this, go like that. And then you just wanna take the hair tie and go like that.
what the hell?
And then take the thing, make sure it's the right way. And then you just wanna make it go. Well, you gotta turn around. You just wanna like, go like this. And then, what am I doing? Go like this, and go like this, go like this, go like this. Go like this, make sure it's over the bun. How did you put this on?
The problem is this big fat bun. So you split your hair in 2, then you bobby pin it.
How do you bobby pin?
Girl, put the damn thing in the thing.
There we go. Go like this.
Alright, good enough. Now you get the...
How is this gonna fit over her big head?
You gotta stretch it. You gotta stretch it as far as you can. Look, I'm gonna help you.
You're not supposed to be helping me. Your nails.
Well, you need help, child.
You broke it. You're not helping. You're just breaking it.
Stop, we gotta make this work.
So you wanna take the wig, and then you wanna do the bottom.
Really, nigga? This is the best you can do? So what went wrong? What's the issue? Oh my god, this is a fail.
Let's take this off. Ah!
Let me go check if the pizza guy's here.
You couldn't go like that?
Hello, it's me.
I would be so scared if someone came up here to go.
I was wondering if you was gonna bring me something to eat, cause I'm hungry.
Yeah, you expecting the delivery from Vito's?
Definitely. I'm on my way.
Thanks.
You need to take this off.
No.
I wanna come with you. We're gonna get kicked out.
Sign right here, and if you believe in tips, there's always a spot for that too.
Alright, back to the damn.
Ooh.
This dough don't even look cooked. This looks like diabetes.
I don't wanna go back to the tutorial. I gotta eat my pizza first.
Wow. For time purposes, I'm just gonna slap this on my head like this and secure it in the back, all right? You gotta secure it so it doesn't go flying off, you feel me? Okay, so now what do we do? See, the thing is that this wig didn't come with baby hairs already, so like it don't look natural really. So what I did earlier is I actually fleeked my real baby hairs and then just put it on the line, which I don't think it looks that natural, but if it's black, it'll do the trick. This is not no pizza break. Thank you. If you was going on a hot date, you would leave my hair like this?
Yup.
Really, nigga?
She's gotta be the worst hairstylist of 2018. You just put gel on my forehead. Is this the final look?
Yeah.
What the?
You better show it off.
Cue slow-mo. Whoa, I got dizzy. It looked way better than that, I swear. Where you went wrong, sweetheart, is you didn't fleek the edges. I was gonna bring scissors so you can cut edges and stuff and actually go in, but we all knew you wasn't gonna do that. I really had faith in her. I really thought she was gonna try, but she didn't. She's really worried about pizza nowadays. You're fat. What you gotta say?
Bye.
Shout out again to Eullair for sponsoring this video and letting me see my sister ugly self. If y'all want the hair details, y'all need to check out the description so you know more about the hair. That hair is literally just like my hair. So if you order it, you got Vanessa Lynn hair, you feel me? I love you once again. Make sure you guys like this video. I'm not playing with y'all. Like this video and stay tuned to the other videos. Let's try to get this video to 5K likes. See you later. Bye.
Now I do that, okay?